Now let us see how to make some shapes using different colors in the pay dough. See, I've taken out a green type and then I'm going to roll it and make it flat, and then I'm going to use a heart shape and cut it out into heart. Then I'm going to remove the excess. Then you can see the heart shape. You can remove the heart. See, very beautifully you got a heart. Now you can take the other plate out and then cut it into a star shape like this. And you can see, you can remove the excess, and you can see how nicely you got a star shape now. If you cut it and if you take it out, you can see how beautifully it cuts out a star shape. See how beautiful it is. You can see the star shape, then you can see the heart shape, and then now we can go ahead and cut some more. Before cutting, if you are going to use this to roll it out, you can roll it out much better. So you can use the roller. And then now I am going to cut a butterfly. So you can cut the butterfly, remove the excess, and then you can see how beautifully you get a butterfly, which is very beautiful. You can see. And then now you can take a different color like a purple, and then you can cut out another butterfly like this, and see how beautifully, remove the excess, and you can see how beautifully you get a butterfly. Now I can show you. You can see how beautiful you get a butterfly now. You can just guide it out, and then you can see here. See, you can see how nicely you got one more butterfly like. And then you can take one more color, and then you can now make a ginger man out of that. You can cut it out and you can make a ginger man. So you can see how nicely the ginger man is formed, and then you can take it out. Very beautifully you get a ginger man shape, and then you can take it out. These play doh activities help you to engage with children, and they learn well the colors and the shapes. See, you can see a gingerbread man, and then you can take one more color, and like a pink color or something, you can take a darker pink. You got a darker pink, and then you can cut it out into a flower shape. Because there are butterflies, you can cut it into a flower shape like this, and then you can get it into a flower. So you can see you got a flower, and then you got a star, then you got a heart, then you got a ginger man, then you got one more butterfly, and one more butterfly. You can see how nicely you are able to do shapes, and then you can be very creative with this lot of shapes, and you have a variety of colors in the play doh. You can be very creative with this play doh. Bye.